The Intelligent Steel Component Painting Line is a fully automated production line specifically developed for coating various light steel structures. This equipment is designed to solve the various challenges faced by steel component manufacturers during the painting process. The line is highly automated. The entire production process can run smoothly with only two general operators. It addresses the issues of recruitment difficulties and high labor costs caused by the specialized nature of the painting industry. Workers only need to handle loading and unloading. The equipment completes all other tasks automatically. Traditional manual painting requires a large footprint, incurs high costs for paint mist treatment, and has long drying times. This line utilizes an assembly line style operation, providing a one-stop solution for both painting and drying. Components are fully dry as soon as they leave the line, allowing for immediate loading and shipping. It shortens production cycles and reduces floor space costs, truly achieving cost reduction and efficiency for enterprises. The line features two sets of spray discs top and bottom, with each set equipped with 6 spray guns at different angles. The equipment employs 3D scanning technology to intelligently identify the shape of the components. A computer precisely controls each spray gun to provide 360-degree coating without any dead zones. This ensures painting quality while also significantly saving on paint materials, since both top and bottom are sprayed simultaneously. It eliminates the hassle of flipping parts required in manual painting. Our spray booth uses a negative pressure pass-through system, effectively treating mist and gases with only 10,000 cubic meters per hour of airflow. The equipment is equipped with a natural gas catalytic infrared radiation drying system. The medium-wave infrared generated only heats the paint film, enabling rapid drying and a dry-to-touch state in a short time. All gas consumed is used to heat the paint film without significantly heating the air or metal, reducing energy waste. Dried components can be loaded for shipment immediately, eliminating the need for drying areas and reducing overhead costs. The entire line operates with high automation and minimal human intervention, truly saving labor, paint, and space. T improves production efficiency and lowers manufacturing costs for the business. Next, let's take a look at components finished with our Intelligent Steel Painting line. The displayed components show the results of a single pass coating, with no need for multiple coats or manual touch-ups.